Hi everyone, this is Dirk and Kiwi, and today we're going to check out this one, the MOMAX Wireless Portable Charger. We've all been in the situation, you can have the nicest hotel room, but you'll find that there are not enough outlets to charge all your devices. Or you're in a restaurant or a cafe and your phone is running out of juice. In this case, it's really so practical to have a portable power bank to charge up your devices, and if this is wireless, if you don't have to connect it with cables, it's even better. The box is really nicely done and it looks like a quality product, so I couldn't wait to take it out. Opening it up, we have a USB-C to USB adapter, a pamphlet that showcases other MOMAX products, and we have a safety information sheet. Taking it out for the first time, it feels very solid. The surface is like a structured rubber. It feels nice to touch it. So 5 stars for a good design. With the power button off, you can charge it using a USB cable, using a USB-C cable, or even a lightning cable. The LEDs on the bottom left side of the device are indicating the current state of the charging. To charge your devices using the MOMAX, you need to press and hold the power button until the LEDs light up. Now you could connect 3 types of cables to your devices: a USB cable, a USB-C cable, or a lightning cable for Apple products. Wireless charging works similar. You need to press and hold the power button until the LEDs are lighting up, and then you need to place your device on top of the MOMAX Wireless Portable Charger. This works for Android and Apple products. But before I can recommend this product, here is the ultimate test, the Kiwi-test. And Kiwi seems to like it, so it's a thumbs up from me. Now that you've seen the review, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, if you liked it, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now. Hi everyone, this is Dirk and here is Kiwi, or here was Kiwi.